Welcome to an exciting preview of the upcoming Pixel 9 series. We've got some exclusive case images of the Pixel 9, Pixel 9 Pro, and Pixel 9 Pro XL to share with you. Let's dive into the details of these incredible devices. Got it? I've noted down the information about the standard Pixel 9 featuring dual cameras and a lower resolution display available in 6.2-inch and 6.7-inch models. The latter will come equipped with triple cameras, including a periscope lens, and boasts a high-resolution display. Now let's take a closer look at the Pixel 9 Pro. This model will have a 6.1-inch flat display with a brand new camera module that resembles the one on the Pixel 4. The Pixel 9 Pro's camera setup includes a main sensor, a super wide-angle lens, and a periscope shooter. The device's side frame is thin and flat, featuring a micro-carved wedge design. At the bottom, you'll find the Type-C port, SIM card tray, and speakers, while the top houses the antenna. Under the hood, the Pixel 9 Pro packs 16 GB of DDR5 RAM and is powered by the latest Tensor G4 processor. The base model offers 128 GB of US storage, though we recommend opting for the 256 GB variant for more space. Excitingly, the latest news suggests that Google will use a new Samsung modem for improved 5G and network reception, addressing the network issues some users face with the Pixel 8 series. Additionally, we might see satellite connectivity introduced in this lineup. The Pixel 9 with the Tensor G4 has just appeared on Geekbench, revealing some impressive specs. It's based on the Exynos 2400 architecture, featuring one Cortex-X4 core, 3 Cortex, a 720 cores, and 4 Cortex, a 520 cores. The Tensor G4 uses the latest FOWLP fan-out wafer-level packaging technology, enhancing cooling and heat dissipation, leading to significant improvements in power and efficiency. One of the standout features of the Pixel 9 series is the new adaptive touch settings, thanks to Lord Sophia's enhancement. This feature allows you to adjust touch sensitivity based on environmental conditions, such as rain or the presence of a screen protector, providing a more responsive user experience. Design-wise, Google is sticking with a flat front for the Pixel 9 Pro, eliminating the side, top, and chin bezels, making it comparable to the latest iPhone and Samsung S24 models. The device will feature a small, center hole-punch selfie camera and a flat frame similar to the iPhone's design. Expect a higher resolution, 120Hz high refresh rate display, and top-notch hardware specifications. The Pixel 8 series recently won the Best Smartphone Award at MUFC, and we anticipate that the Pixel 9 Pro, with its Tensor G4, will compete fiercely with Samsung and Apple, potentially earning similar accolades. Priced around $1,000, the Pixel 9 Pro promises to be an amazing device. We're still a few months away from the official launch, so stay tuned for more leaks and updates. Make sure to follow our channel for all the latest news on the Pixel 9 series. Until next time, peace out.